Señoras y señores, se encuentra con nosotros el ciudadano presidente de los Estados Unidos mexicanos.
President Calderón, members of the Presidium, colleagues and friends, buenos dias. It is truly a privilege for me to bring your greetings on behalf of both Chrysler and Fiat on a day of celebration for both of our companies. And I'd like to thank in particular President Calderón for doing us the honor of inviting us here at Los Pinos. It makes today even that much more special. Mr. President, you may recall that just over a year ago, I promised you that I would come back to celebrate the launch of the Fiat 500. And so it is with great pleasure that today I keep that promise. The start of the Fiat 500 production at our Toluca plant is an important milestone for all of us for a variety of reasons. To begin with, the car that is being built here in Mexico has the responsibility and the honor to reopen the door to the Fiat brand that has been missing from the North American continent for more than 28 years. And for the Mexican market, where the 500 has already been sold for several years, this marks an important shift from a vehicle which has been imported from Europe to one that is being now built locally. And the Fiat 500 is the first tangible evidence of the historic alliance that is being built between Chrysler and Fiat. The work that we've done together to adapt the car to the different needs of the North American market highlights the way in which we're building and managing our relationship, and that something much more profound than a business opportunity is taking place here.
¿Qué tal? Muy buenos días, amigas y amigos. Saludo con aprecio a don Roberto Spinelli, embajador de Italia en México, y desde luego al estimado señor don Sergio Marchionne, CEO de Chrysler, y le agradezco mucho su presencia en México.